right, guys, we got a 2018 Mustang GT350. This is what it sounds like before. Sounds absolutely phenomenal. Wow, what a beast. Here's sound decibels. It's right at 100. As you guys can see, there's a nice badge, the Corsa. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the middle section and install a double helix that he brought in himself. We're just gonna install it for him. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it after. I'll show you what it looks like under it in a second. What a beautiful automobile. Wow. So on this sexy 2018 GT350 Cobra, Shelby, beautiful, sexy Mustang. There's the badging on the side too. Let me show you. Why not? Right there. Woo. Lights hitting it just right. Give it that sparkle. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So, still got the factory converters there and there. Factory flex there and there. Like I showed you guys earlier, we took out the H-pipe and replaced it with a double helix X-pipe. There it is, by Corsa. And then their stock mufflers are out the back on it. There and there. What nice thing about Corsa, they fit really nicely, didn't have too much trouble, just took a little bit long to measure it just right, because you got to cut it here and here. If it was original, you'd be unbolting it here and then add the sleeves in, but it wasn't original because it had an H-pipe, so we had to cut it and make it fit, as you guys can see. But there's the stock mufflers on it, there, and it comes out the back end, stock tips out the back. I love the body kit on this. Let's look at the vents and the fenders. Really clean car. They're coming down in price. They're not as expensive as they used to be, which is a good thing. So if you want to pick one up, they range around 60, 70 grand now. Used to be a lot higher earlier, like last year and stuff. So, and look at the wide tires and everything. Just got a nice stance to it. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And here's the H-pipe that was on it that we took off right there, as you guys can see. That's what I was talking about. You have to cut it there, and we have to cut it up in the front to make it fit. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. All right, Mustang GT350. Here it is, that Cobra 350. You know, you guys can pick these up right now for around 40, 50. I was looking them up the other day. But for what you get with all the bells and whistles in this one, it's a hell of a deal. Just a little bit of information for you guys. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did. Factory converter. We took the resonators and X-pipe out and replaced it with his titanium X-pipe right there in the middle. And a fun fact, guys, 90% of your muffler shops cannot weld titanium. So if you buy titanium stuff and expect us to weld it, we cannot. So just a tidbit information. Always try to get stainless steel or aluminized. That we can weld, fab, and make fit just in case it doesn't fit. But this one fit up pretty good. We had to do a little bit of fabrication to cut it, but we got it to fit just right, as you guys can see right there. So it is a titanium X-pipe. And then the stock mufflers out the back on each side, there and there. As you guys can see, came out nice. There's the resonators that were on it and X-pipe that we took off. All right, and replaced it with a single X-pipe, no resonators. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Sounds different. So which one on this GT350, which one do you guys like better? The H-pipe or the double helix X-pipe? I like the double helix. The double helix X-pipe sounds a lot cleaner. It's more clean, crisp sound. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Make it a little bit louder. Now it's 102. It was hitting only 100 before. Again. Yeah, right at 102. Not bad. I like the body kit on it. It's clean. Brimbos, drilled and slotted brakes. Nice stance. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson 5. And it is a 6-speed manual too. Here it is up close. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. A little bit better. A lot better. Now you can actually hear it. I'd take the mufflers off too. Fine. Here's sound decibels. Right at 103. Still not bad though. Missing something though, don't you guys agree? That he needs to swap these mufflers out. It's good, but it's 100% like the look of the car. The look is there, but it needs a little bit more. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it sounds a lot better now. He had it in comfort mode. Now it's in sport mode. That opened it up a lot. That's a whole different beast now. Now that sounds like a Mustang. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. The Ricardo seats too. Nice. Check it out, guys. It's clean suede. Really nice car. I like the badging right there too. Just nicely done. I love when they make the screens recessed in like that. Just a cleaner look. GT350 Mustang Shelby. Shelby 350 GT. I like the stance on these more than the regular Mustang. It's just more purdy to me. He follows us on YouTube, so we appreciate him bringing it in. All right, he put it in sport mode. Good. And it is a 6-speed manual GT350. absolute perfection. That was beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy it, guys.